music so loud. I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty. Tryna 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 catch me riding dirty.
What's good, daddies and ones I can flirt with? So we start off at Orwaka. Beautiful young view. But we did a lot today. We do a lot. So we go to 4 waterfalls, a lot of beach walks, bush walks. So we're just checking that out. Well, a bit of both, beach walks, bush walks. So I took it because I go to so many waterfalls and it's like a record for it. We throw it too easy up at each one of them. Bam! More views. Carrying on to that beach. And then we ended up we even ended up on mountains. Like we're checking out the views from the mountainside. Like I said, back in the bush again. There it is. We found it. Oh, damn. Bam, with another too easy. Leave a ritual behind. Check that out, just stunning. Young Dirty logo. Horseshoe Falls. Hell yeah. Young Too Easy again. More river views, more beach views. Damn, we did a lot today. We did a lot. And look, back up on ranges again, checking out those views. I like this one though. Ready? Bam! McLean Falls. Yeah. So this one's a beautiful falls, but instead of it being McLean Falls, brother had to use it as Dicklean Falls today. If you know, you know. Your boy's a wild child. Some stunning views up in there though. A lot going on, a lot of powerful water. But we had a beautiful day, so we just milked that sun out today. Did what we could. Hell yeah. Whew, more stairs though. There it is. The Clean Falls. More too easies. Young view from the spout. And we're making more beach scenes. Look who we bumped into. Well, it's a van anyway. The old My Great Adventure van. Out there white baiting, yeah. But I found out afterwards it's the Brother Snipes van. And we made it to Invercargill. Checking out the young gardens, Burt Munro. Oh, fastest Indian, hell yeah. Just giving you some garden views. But damn, this garden had it all going. Like Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, mad ass views. But you wait till we see the bird aviary. Like, you know your boy's a sucker for those bird aviaries. This one goes next step. It's got a walk-in aviary. It's got like a animal sanctuary. It's on. These gardens are on. And I got a bit distracted trying to watch fish, so but damn, I had to cut out a lot of cool content out of this because it would have been too long for TikTok. But we're out there just checking it all out. Here it is. Here's the aviary. Catching all those birds. Oh, wetness over here. But look at these lovebirds. They're so cute. So cute, I had to do it twice. Then you got these lovebirds. They're like, let's get it on. He's up in there. Look at those, making those facials and all. This brother, he's even got a marae, this brother. He was cool. Giving himself a young clean. Oh, Pinky. And this fella was just like, hello, hello. Every time I tried to keep walking away, he's like, hello, hello, hello. I just wanted cool footage. But he's like, nope, I'm here to say hello. So I hung around with him for a bit. Caught the other kaka as well. So the Kias weren't in today, but hey, we caught our kaka brother. This is the walking aviary, so I'm in here just checking out all these different birds and stuff that are in here. Life's good. Life's good. That little yellow fella, we get up close with him later. But he didn't want anything to do with me after we got too close to him. These ones up in the tree. So yellow fella just lurking. But watch this. We catch him snoozing. Sup? Sup, buddy? It's like, nah. So he's just like, I'm going to turn my back on you. And then walked out, and the old kaka brother still like, hello, hello, hello. And we're just catching the monuments just to round things up. Now we're at that animal sanctuary, like it's cool. This brother didn't want nothing to do with me either. Turned his back on me. Old cuzzy goat sitting there. And peacock hens, here's the big boy. I wish he flared up, but hey, it was still cool. And this guy, he just wanted attention. Watch, you'll see him come back soon too. There's the big boy again. There are rabbits, and I don't know if these are guinea pigs or hamsters. Old farmery. Even turtles. It was me. Here he is, he's back again. He's like, hey, give me attention. And we finish it off with just a few little monuments here and there. And that rounds our day up. Cha-cha!